You have probably noticed that the stars don't shine as bright in the city as they do in the country. That's because the city lights are so bright they outshine the distant light of the stars. That is why it is much better to put telescopes on mountains and far away from big cities. This way, you can see many more stars. But even then, some light gets lost in the atmosphere. That's why scientists decided to send a telescope to space. This telescope is called Hubble, and it helps us uncover wonders we'd never have dreamed of. Taking pictures of different parts of space, it discovered many interesting facts about our universe. Found new galaxies, saw nebulae, distant stars, and planets. Every day, Hubble sends 80 gigabytes of data to the Earth, where scientists study it.
Kitty